Uh, hey guys, Zachary from HardwareZone, and this is another surprise live stream. This is surprise live stream number 5. Yes, and what we're doing here today is we're gonna shave. This is a surprise to you as well as to me because most of the times we get stuff in the office that doesn't really fit any particular category in HardwareZone. So sometimes not everything that comes in gets to be reviewed, and sometimes things just get pushed to the side, or maybe it's just a picture, a press release, a news piece. But yeah, that's the reason why you've seen me put a screen protector on my iPhone without reading instructions. You've seen me eat boba flavored pizza because Pizza Hut sent me one, and now you're gonna see me shave myself. I know, I know. The most famous mustache in HardwareZone is VJ, but he's not here, and he refused to be here. He refused to be shaved. We've tried to shave him for years and years and years without success. We've even tried to digitally shave him with Photoshop. You've got to bear with me. I need to find that picture because nobody has ever seen VJ without his mustache. We don't know what he looks like under that beautiful mustache face. So yeah, so that's unsuccessful. So what you're stuck here with is me. But anyway, that's digressing. I've got Gillette's Gillette Labs heated razor. This was sent to me 2 days ago by Gillette. This is basically their highest end premium luxury razor. This is $300 or 299 Singapore dollars. And we're gonna live test this with a $6 shaver. It's the Gillette Mark III. This is actually my shaver. I brought it from home. This is $6 to $10, depends where you buy it from. Value dollar store, fair price, or Shopee. I mean, it's around that price. We go for the lower price. It's like $6, and this is $300. Would you buy a $300 shaver? I don't know. Is a $300 shaver going to be any better than a $6 shaver? Let's test. Now, here's the thing. I'm a Chinese guy, can't really grow facial hair. What you see here, if I sit far away, you don't even notice I have facial hair. So what you see here is basically the accumulation of 2 weeks of working from home because of phase 2 heightened alert. And that was lucky because I didn't bother grooming at all, because why bother, we're at home, which is great because otherwise I would have nothing to do with this. So Gillette Labs heated razor. Now this is not really an unboxing because I had to open this up already to charge it, or else it'll be very awkward that I open this now and it's not charged. So yep, open the box. There's the razor. Looks really cool. It's actually quite light. This is rubberized. Looks like Iron Man's razor. It glows, but we'll do that later. This thing has a magnetic wireless charging dock. This is quite heavy though. It's like a hockey puck. If you threw it at somebody, it would. Me! I have to shave myself. Who else is in the office? VJ refuses to be shaved. I did ask him. Yeah, he wouldn't come into the lab. So I'm gonna do me. So anyway, yeah, we want to shave VJ. Everybody wants to shave VJ, and you know, Gillette, Braun, Phillips, shtick. If you guys are watching, let's do something. Let's try to get VJ to shave. Make it happen. But yeah, today you have me. So anyway, this thing, why is it so cool? Because it has this gold bar here is a warming bar. It warms up, heats up. So it supposedly gives you the comfort of a hot towel shave. Is that worth $300? You'll find out. Also has 5 blades, some flexi disc technology, makes it turn left, right. It does all this, so you can go everywhere. Yeah, we talked about the wireless charging, magnetic dock, and it's waterproof, so you can bring it to the shower. So let's do this. Right. Oh, interesting thing. The charging is by Braun. It's not by Gillette, so it's kind of like a collab thing. Gillette Braun shaver charger. Okay, let's put this aside. Now, once it's charged and you press the power button, it lights up. Boom. Ooh. Now this thing, okay, it blinks just now. Once it stops blinking, it's supposed to reach its optimal temperature. Now there's supposed to be two temperatures. Orange is the higher temperature. If you hold it and it goes, it kind of blinks again and it goes yellow, it's a lower temperature. We'll try shaving this with a higher temperature because that's the default. Yeah, we'll leave that there. We shall shave me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shave half my face with the $6 shaver. HardwareZone doesn't really do shavers. That's why this is a surprise live stream. Because like I said, these are products that don't really get into HardwareZone, and we can't really write about it because it doesn't fit any particular category. But hey, with social media, with I can do this. And when they send us products like this, what are we gonna do, right? We're gonna test it out, and you can see me do weird things. Now, I'm a ghetto shaver. Like I said, I don't really have facial hair. I shave maybe once every week or every other week, and I just do it in the shower when I'm washing my face with soap. So it's gonna be interesting. I had to find a bottle of like shaving cream to do it in the office here. I hope this is not expired or anything. But we'll do half my face with the cheap $6 razor, the Gillette Mark III, is basic razor. We will actually change this to a new cartridge to make this fair, I guess, if there's anything that's fair, right? And then we're gonna do this. Would a $300 shaver work better than a $600 shaver? Oh, no, sorry, $300 shaver. 600 would be crazy. One side of my face. Okay, anybody who just weirdly tuned in now is going to be, what the hell is going on? Okay, has taken me a couple of swipes for my thin, wispy hair. I don't actually have a mirror here, and I'm just looking at the phone. So yeah, that was that with the $6 shaver. Woo! What did that feel like? Felt like any other shave, really. I don't know. Now, what's a $300 shaver going to feel like? Is it going to be any different? With 5 blades and a warming bar. Look crazy. Well, if after watching this you actually do want to buy this $300 shaver, the good thing is 6/6 deals are coming this weekend, and Father's Day is coming up. I bet you there are a lot of offers on sale. So if you're gonna spend $300, at least there are gonna be some offers. So anyway, yes, this is charged What does it actually feel like? Ooh, it's quite hot. Ooh, warming. Well, that's quite hot actually. Mmm. You know what? This actually feels good. I did not expect that. Okay, but with the 5 blades so close together, hair seems to still get stuck on it. Anyway, after it's dipped in water, it's still warm. Hey! Ooh, this is good. Is it $300 good? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm quite conflicted now. I didn't think I would actually like. Oh, I even went the other side because I wanted the other side of my face to feel warm. Okay, I know you can't tell if it's actually shaving. If VJ were to do it, it would. We all know that. We've been through that. So let's try to make this happen for VJ. I mean, come on, Gillette or Philips or Stick or Braun or all you guys. I mean, this is the second time I'm saying this, but let's do something. I'm shaved after 2 weeks. Okay, now it feels the same on both sides. I really don't know if a 5-blade shaver is different from a 3-blade shaver. I've never actually used any of Gillette's newer shavers after the Mark III because this is what I always use. But yeah, the warming thing actually works. It's pretty cool. I mean, yeah, like I said, right? Father's Day is coming up. Buy your dad Iron Man's razor. You've got $300 to spend. Oh, it's still warm. Ooh, actually it's hot now. Ow. Okay, I've left this in the water for a bit, and it's actually hot now. Or maybe it's hot because I've already taken off all my facial hair. But yeah, what would happen if I went to the second temperature setting? The yellow is the lower temperature setting. Okay, it's better. I can leave it on without it feeling hot. At the higher temperature setting, you just go and it feels really nice. At the lower temperature setting, I can leave it on my face and it doesn't feel hot or burning after a while. So anyway, yes, I've already shaved. That part of this video is over. So live test of the Gillette Labs heated razor powered by Braun. 299 Singapore dollars. Yes, we all know we need to shave VJ, and this probably wasn't as interesting without him, but that's what you get. So see you guys next surprise live stream. Have a good weekend. Bye.